Does your Audi have the Audi Lane Assist option and you would like to turn it off but you don't know how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you how to switch off the Audi Lane Assist and also how to turn off the lane departure vibration warning. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Start the engine of your Audi. To switch off the Audi Lane Assist, you need to go to the turn signal lever, which is located on the left side of the steering wheel. At the end of the turn signal lever you will find a button that can be used to turn the Audi Lane Assist on and off. When you deactivate the Audi Lane Assist, you will see that the symbol disappears on both the Audi head-up display and the Audi virtual cockpit. Would you like to keep the Audi Lane Assist activated but you would like to switch off the Lane Assist vibration warning? Go to the Audi MMI screen, click on Car, go to Driver Assist. Click on the setting gear symbol and scroll down to Lane Departure Warning. You can now switch off the Lane Departure vibration warning. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.